Hey guys, this is Eddie here at Veurink's RV Center in Grand Rapids. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. What I have for you today is a real quick walk around on this brand new floor plan from Dutchmen Astoria. This is going to be their 2533 RDF. So it's going to be a 1500 series small 2-slide fifth wheel that'll give you a little bit more accessibility for towing and also a ton of space on the inside. So just to touch on a few features, what I'll show you, of course, you have your fiberglass front nose cap with your automotive grade front window, and I'll show you that as we get on the inside as well. Nice storage in the front where you'll keep your spare tire and a generator likely if you want one. Two 30-pound LP tanks, which will be stored, one right over here and then one on the other side. Here's your pass-through storage, which gives you a ton of room, and then you will have the solar package on this. So with that, you'll get 200 watts of solar, you'll get a 30 amp charge controller, and then you'll also get a 1200 watt Xantrax inverters to do a little bit more boondocking. Full length awning on this bad boy, so basically wherever you are in your campsite, you're still gonna be underneath that awning. You will have outdoor speakers. A nice change from the 2022s, so this is a 2023 model. Nice change is that instead of going with a 6-gallon gas water heater, they're doing a Furrion tankless on-demand hot water heater, which is awesome, so you're never gonna really run out of hot water when you are on the campsite. To go with this, instead of doing the ACs that they had last year, they're doing 2 Furrion air conditioners, which are gonna be on top of this coach, just for a little bit more high efficiency. As you head to this little storage compartment, you are gonna get your outdoor little refrigerator, and paired with your griddle, which I'll show you in the back, gives you basically a full outdoor kitchen. Heading down the side, you will have a TV hookup. You can see those outlets right underneath, and then you can put a bracket right there if you wanna have the full entertainment center. Some change from the 2022s to the 2023s is gonna be a keyless entry system. So you are gonna have your own passcode just for safety when you are on the campsite, or you forget your key, no problem. You're still gonna be able to get into your camper, which is awesome. Of course, the step above, solid steps, will be right here to your entryway. That's gonna be a standard on pretty much most campers that are going into this model year. Here's your little rack that is gonna be for your outdoor griddle, just to give you that full outdoor kitchen space. Ladder heading up to your fully walkable roof. And then a new change is on 2023s, you are gonna get a backup camera that is at no charge to you to add it to your camper. This is gonna come standard on the Astorias. So that's it for the outside. Let's pop in, check out this new floor plan. All right guys, so here we are in the brand new 2023 Dutchmen Astoria 1500. This is gonna be the 2533 RDF, brand new floor plan from Dutchmen Astoria. So in the back, this is gonna be the main focal point of your camper, is all the living space in this camper that is gonna be under 8,000 pounds and under 30 feet long. So it just makes it a lot more towable with basically half-ton vehicles. Ultimately, back here, you're gonna have this U-shaped dinette with a ton of windows just to give you an open, airy feel, and you will have some cabinetry up above just for some extra storage. As you head over here, you're gonna have Thomas Payne theater seating. That is gonna be an option. You can do a trifold sofa if you want it. We just had this one specifically made as more of a couple's coach. As we head over to your massive countertop, you are gonna have a big drawer right here. You're gonna have a ton of cabinetry up top and down below underneath your sink. Of course, a huge wide view fireplace, which will act as ambiance and kick off some heat. But as you head down this seamless countertop, you're gonna make your way to the kitchen, where you're gonna have your farm style stainless steel sink, high-rise faucet with a sprayer, of course, your 3-burner cooktop, oven, microwave, big entertainment center, big kitchen. This kind of gives you everything in a nice open floor plan. Like I said, this is only 2 slides. One of them's in your main living space, one of them's gonna be on your wardrobe. So with that, it still gives you a ton of room. As you head right here, you're gonna have a nice pantry, and you will have a bunch of drawers underneath, so a nice spot for silverware. This is gonna be a 10 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator, so you can see it gives you a ton of space. As we head to our main control panel, here's gonna be the control for your first 15K BTU air conditioner, which will be centralized in your main living space. It is gonna be Furrion. Next up, you're gonna get to your Lippert control panel, which you'll be able to control your interior lights, exterior lights, water pump, see your connections, see how many your tank capacities, your battery capacity, run your awning and your slides in and out, kind of all centralized right in this spot. Here's the control for your tankless on-demand hot water heater by Furrion. This is going to be able to set the temperature, so whatever you want your shower to be like, you want that temperature, you can set it on there, which is awesome. There's no guessing, there's no waiting for it to get hotter. It's a great feature that's going to be on this. And then of course your max air control, which will be in your main living space, that is going to have a rain sensor as well. So if you do leave your vent open and you go out, say to a concert, you say go down the campground, go hang out with some friends, that will automatically close once it starts to rain, which is great. As you head up here, this is a 1500 series, so you get a nice bathroom right here. It is going to have some storage below, medicine cabinet up on the left, and then you have a nice big shower with a glass shower door, and of course a porcelain throne, which you would expect in a Dutchmen Astoria. Heading up here to your main living space, here's your secondary slide. It will be a wardrobe slide. You do get some nice big hanging storage and a bunch of drawers underneath. So it's just a way to maximize the stuff that you can take with you when you are on the campsite. This is gonna be a residential queen size bed, just for extra space. Paired with that front automotive grade windshield, it gives you a ton of open space in here, so it feels nice and airy. You get a ton of natural light, and with that you do have a bunch of storage up above still, which is great. They didn't have to compromise in that sense. You'll see your secondary Furrion air conditioner should be a 13.5 BTU or kBTU air conditioner. Cool this off in a jiffy. Nice big window, and then something that Dutchmen Astoria does fantastic that you won't see many competitors doing in a 1500 series camper is it's a full hanging storage, but if you want to, you can do a full washer and dryer stackable combo, which is fantastic. All right guys, so that's my walkthrough on the brand new 2023 Dutchmen Astoria 2533 RDF. If you have any questions, I know I couldn't get through everything, you can give me a call. This is Eddie at Veurink's RV Center. My number is 616-965-9625, and I'll see you on the next video.